Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Chenango County, and today we're going to be making a wonderful type of dinner that doesn't take too much prep work, so it's great to have. It's called Sensational Six-Layer Dinner. The great thing about this recipe is it's so quick and easy to do, and it's all about just a quick layering. So the first thing we want to do is we want to spray our pan that we're using, and then we are going to layer our ingredients in the order that's given. So the first ingredient is 2 potatoes, medium sliced. So I'm going to put these right in the bottom. I'll try to level them out as much as I can. Okay, great. Now the second layer is going to be about 2 cups of carrots. So we're going to put 2 cups of carrots over top of that, layering as well. The next ingredient is a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So we're going to put the black pepper over this layer. Great. The next layer is going to be about 1/2 cup of onion. I did have a bigger onion here, but I'm just going to put it in. Onions are so great in any of these types of meals. They add so much flavor. Okay, the next ingredient is 1 pound of ground beef. So I have my ground beef here that I'm just going to put right in the pan I just cooked. You always want to try to use a lean ground beef too. 90% or better is a good rule of thumb. What I love about this too is you can really switch this out with so many different vegetables that you have at home. The next layer that we're going to be doing is about 1.5 cups of green beans. Okay, and then the last layer is 1 can of tomato soup, which you're going to just drizzle over all of the top. And we want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until tender and thoroughly heated through. Okay, so this is our sensational 6-layer dinner. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care.